So I got here the new Baseus new power cordless electric polisher, and let's go do an unboxing. That's nice. So according to the instructions that I watched online, it says that I have to press this to turn it on. As you can see, there are three lights here. Then I have to hold it for it to start spinning on the low setting. So let's do that right now. So as you can see, this is the low setting, and in order for you to go to the high setting, you just have to press this once. There you go. And in order to turn it off, you just have to press it once again. So yeah, along with it, there's a box here with the other materials. So we have here like a soft sponge. One has like waves on it, and the other one is a straight sponge, and the last is the one with like microfiber cloth. So this is actually a good buy. Again, this is from Baseus on power cordless electric polisher. There you go, there's the branding right there. And yeah, I hope to use it on my car one of these days, and I'll let you know in the next video um, the end result. So that's it. Thank you.